Hey guys, my name is Shannon Albrecht. The reason why I want to be a registered dietitian nutritionist is when I was a senior in high school, I was diagnosed with ulcerative colitis, and that really changed my life in a lot of ways. I started taking medication, and I really just didn't um, do well with it, and that's when I really wanted to start living a more holistic lifestyle. So the first thing I did was, research foods that um, affected my gut and what I could do to help decrease those symptoms and those flare ups. So that's really what initially got me interested in nutrition, and being able to help someone who does have an incurable disease like I do. That I would love to be able to help someone do that. So, why I'm choosing Wellness Workdays is because of the sports concentration, honestly. That is what I want to do. I want to work for the NFL one day. And because y'all have the option to go and work with collegiate or professional athletes, um, that's what I want to do. And so having that opportunity to do that is just amazing to me. Also, because it is a distance program, I live in Nashville and I am really happy here and I don't want to move. So, yeah, that is why I am choosing Wellness Workdays. So, thank you guys.